Hey guys, have you ever wondered what it's like to be behind the scenes of a of a Hillman Hunter car shoot? Brendon's just warming up the Hillman now. We've got a few spots we're going to be shooting at. First one, we don't know if it's going to be open because we scoped out the spot the other day and the gate was locked. But there is another car park. It's in an industrial area, so that might work out really well too. Is there anything you want to say to the vlog?
Welcome Black.
Welcome
Black.
Welcome Black. Howdy. It is A. We're doing a video on it.
Are you doing a video, eh?
Yeah. We're going to do a feature video because you don't see nice Hillman videos online, so.
No, you don't.
That's beautiful.
You don't.
Look, searching on YouTube.
I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays upon her head. I hear the sound of a gentle word.
Put that on camera. It's just exhausting. Oi! We're right, guys. We made it.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations.
So, Brendon, how long have you had the Hillman for?
Oh, about 6 months now.
You love it?
Yeah, it's not bad, eh?
Any plans for it, or just gonna keep it stock?
Keep it how it is, to be honest. Just got a little bit to go, but
Yeah, look at it, guys. So we're about to do our last audio runs, and then that's it for the day. It's a wrap. Brendon's kindly offered to let me have a drive of the car. So excited.
For those that don't know, Chay used to own a Hillman back in the day, so...
I'm about to drive a Hillman again for the first time in 3.5 years. Oh yeah!
Oh, feels so good being in a Hillman again!
It's so rolly like it used to be.
What do you think, Chay?
I fucking love this, bro. This is like taking me back to the good old high school days.
That power though!
This is faster than mine. Thanks so much, man. Update on the vlog. Chay is thirsty at 11:26. We are off to Myri to have a meeting with a sponsor and sort out some kind of discount for you guys. It's recording. So we've just arrived at Verde Brio. We're gonna go talk with Anton. I don't know if we'll talk to him now because it looks really busy. Hi.
Hey, come on in.
Well, yeah, we're just updating the vlog. Okay. We'll be in a minute. So we're gonna go in soon, say hi to everyone. Probably grab a drink too because we're thirsty. Chay is thirsty.
We've just done a quick shoot with Earwings and Verde Brio for their Insta pages, and we've been given some yogurts to taste test, I guess. So we'll give it a try. What did you get, Chay?
I got lychee, pomegranate, passion fruit, and frozen yogurt. So now we're gonna eat it and see what it tastes like. Oh my god.
The yogurt alone is good.
Oh. That's a 10.
Definitely try it out. They have 2 stores, one in Myri, which is where we are now, and one in, where's the other place? Subiaco, and I believe they're opening up a 3rd one soon. But give it a try.
Hi guys, so we have finished up with our shoot at Verde Brio. We definitely recommend you guys to come down because it is so nice. And that's it.